welcome back students. Hope you all must have seen the previous videos which I have given you for the same chapter. Now here I am here with the last exercise of your chapter, that is the 8E exercises, and the same in this exercise we will only have to do the word problems based on this. But moving on to the next, these word problems, firstly do the short revision of the things which we have done in the previous videos, which we have learned or which we have discussed. So in the first video what I have told you about the measurement of length. How to measure the length. The standard units of measuring length are, yes, all of you say, meters, centimeters, meter, kilometer. These are the three standard units of measuring the length. Then if we have to convert meter into centimeter, what we will do? We will multiply. And if we have to convert kilometer into meter, again we will multiply. But when we have to convert centimeter into meters, we will divide. And similarly, when we have to convert meter into kilometer, again we will divide. Okay. After that, in the next video, I have told you about the measurement of mass. Firstly, I have told you about what is mass. So mass is the thing, how much the thing is heavy or how much it is light. All those things comes in the category of mass. Okay. Now mass also we are having the standard units. What are the standard units? Milligram, gram, kilogram. These are the three standard units of measuring the mass. Okay. Now again conversion part, when we come, same as in the previous, length was there. Whenever we will convert kilogram to gram, we will multiply, and vice versa, we will convert gram to kilogram, we will divide. Nothing is there. Then the third was measurement of capacity. Capacity, what the two things were there, capacity and volume. So if you have remember what I have told you, what is the capacity and what is volume? Once again, capacity and volume, two things were there, na? We have discussed, and I have told you I have drawn a figure also. So yes, what is capacity and what is volume? Suppose we are having the glass, and suppose we are having the same glass over here. So how much total amount of water will come in the glass? This is the capacity of this glass, and the amount of water present in the glass, this is the volume of the glass. Means total amount, how much it can hold. This is the capacity, and the amount which is present in the liquid which is present in the glass, this is the volume of the glass. These two things I have discussed in the previous video, and after that we have again done the conversion part. Sorry, one thing I left, standard units. The standard units of capacity, what were there? There were two units, milliliters and liters. Milliliter we measure the smaller units for a smaller quantity, and liters we measure the larger quantity in liters. Okay. After that conversion part, again liters to milliliters we will multiply, and opposite of this, milliliters to liters, we will divide. All these things we have done in the previous video, and we have done the small, I have done the small summary for you. Now word problems. In this topic, in this video, we will discuss about the word problems based on the previous length, mass and capacity. We will do the word problems based on these things. So what is the thing? Let me read. I am reading example 1 for you all. This is given on in your book on page 137. I am reading it. The distance between the school and Osaka's home is 2 km 350 meter. There is a child. The distance between his school and his home is given to you, that is 2 km 350 meter. What is the distance in meters? The distance is given in kilometers and meters. You have to tell the distance in meters only. That means just we have to do the conversion. It is given in the form of word problem, but we have to simply do the conversion. But one thing I want to tell you, don't do the question as it is given in the book. Simply conversion they have done and they have written the answer. No. I have given you I will give you the PDF after the finishing of the chapter, and in that PDF I have written the statement in the questions required, how you have to write this statement. Though you have to write only one or two statements, but in word problem means you have to write this statement. Don't do the questions only calculation work is given in the book. Don't do it like this, or don't say ma'am it is given in the book, so I have done as it is. No, as I have given you in the PDF, you have to do the question in the copy in the same form. Just now I am telling you the example. Also, I am also writing the statement, though it is not written in the book, but I am writing the statement. The distance between the school and the Osaka's home is 2 km 350 meter. The distance between school and home equals to 2 km 350 meter. Okay, this is the distance given to you. What is the distance in meters? The distance in meters, what we will do? 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. 2 kilometer 350 meter equals to 2 multiply 1000 plus 350 meter, means 2000 plus 350 meter, that means 2350 meter. Answer statement, I am not having the space, I am just writing like this. Let me erase this word problem. Answer, how you will write for this question? You will write the answer like this. Distance between school and home is 2350 meters. Distance between school and home in meters is 2350 meters. Okay, like this you have to do the question in the copy also. This question you don't have to do. Again I am telling you, this question you don't have to do in the copy. This is only for your explanation. This only question I have taken for the explanation. Whatever you have to do in the copy, I will tell you. Okay, like this you will write the statement and then you will do the question. Now moving on to the next example. See, I am reading the example. Chanchal's fish tank can hold 9945 milliliters of water. A girl is there, her name is Chanchal, and she is having a fish tank. So how much water it can hold? It can hold 9945 milliliters. How much would that be in liters and milliliters? Again you have to convert the answer in liters and milliliters. Means, so not answer, you have to give the answer in liters and milliliters. So how we will do? Capacity of Chanchal's fish tank equals to 9945 milliliter. Capacity of tank in liters and milliliters. So how we will do? 1000 milliliter equals to 1 liter. 9945 milliliter equals to 9945 divided by 1000. When we will divide, quotient will be in bigger unit, that is 9 liter, 945 milliliter. Answer, how will you write? Capacity of tank in liters and milliliters is 9 liter, 945 milliliter. Means capacity of the tank in liters and milliliters. The question is that now what would be the how much would be it in liters and milliliters. So in liters and milliliters, what is the capacity? 9 liter, 945 milliliter. Like this you have to do the word problems, writing the statements very properly. Meaning of word problem means you have to write the statement. Just calculation work is not enough. Okay. Now moving on to your exercise, that is the last exercise of your chapter, exercise 8E. I am just reading the word problems and I will discuss with you each of the word problem. Pooja bought 7 meter of cloth from the market. She bought a piece of cloth, and what is the measurement of that cloth? 7 meter. Find the length of cloth in centimeters. So again, what will be the first statement? Length of cloth equals to 7 meter. Then you will write length of cloth in centimeters. Then you will write 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. 7 meter equals to 7 multiply 100, that is 700 centimeter. Answer statement, length of cloth in centimeters is 700 centimeter. Complete in this way you have to do. Then B part, Anil's height is 249 centimeter. What is his height in meters and centimeters? So you will write, how will you start the question? Solution, you will write height of Anil equals to 249 centimeter. Then you will write height of Anil in meters and centimeters. Then the formula, 100 centimeter equals to 1 meter. 249 centimeter equals to 249 divided by 100. And when we will divide 249 by 100, so how we will get? We will get 100, 249, 2 times it will go. The answer will be 2 meter 49 centimeter. Okay. Then C part. Rehan's younger sister weighs about 7,485 gram. The weight of his younger sister, Rehan's younger sister, is 7,485. How much will she weigh in kilograms and grams? So means smaller unit to bigger unit we have to change, as in this question also we have done. So what we will do? We will divide. How we will write the question statement? Weight of Rehan's sister. Okay, it is equals to 7,485. Weight of his sister in kilograms and grams. Again, 1000 gram equals to 1 kilogram. 7,485 gram equals to 7,485 divided by 1000. When we will divide it by 1000, 7,489, sorry 5. So we will get 7 kilogram 485 gram is the weight of his sister in grams and kilograms. The last question, the capacity of a juice container is 2 liters 370 milliliters. Capacity means a juice container is there. How much is the capacity? How much juice it can hold? It can hold 2 liters and 370 milliliters. Calculate the capacity in milliliters. Again, as question number A, or we can say the A part. Similarly, you will write the capacity of a juice container equals to 2 liters 370 milliliters. This will be the first statement. Second, capacity in milliliters. Then 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliter. 2 liters 370 milliliters. So what we will do? 2 multiply 1000 plus 370. 2000 plus 370. 2370 milliliter. This will be the answer. Okay. So, you have to write the statement in all the 4 parts of question 1. Okay. Now, with this, your chapter 8 is finished. After this, you are having your chapter revision. So, in chapter revision, I am telling you, all the exercises are finished. Now, we are having chapter revision. Now in chapter revision, A question you have to do in the book, B question again you have to do in the book, and C question you have to do in the book. D, E, F, G. In D, 2 parts are there. In E, again 2 parts. In F, again 2 parts. And in G, there are 5 parts. So in D, The part which I have given in the PDF to do in the copy, only that part you will do. Both the parts, nothing, no part, no both the questions you have to do. Whichever part I have written, same part you have to do in the copy. But A, B and C, all the 3 questions you will do in the book. Now see D. Convert the following to meters and centimeters. Means the question is given in centimeters, you have to change into meter and centimeter. Means smaller unit to bigger unit, we will divide. E. Convert the following to gram. Means the bigger unit is given to you, kilogram is given to you, you have to convert it into gram. Means bigger unit to smaller unit, again we will multiply. F. Convert the following into liters and milliliters. Again the question is given, the milliliter is given to you, you have to convert it into liters and milliliters. Means smaller unit to bigger unit, we will divide. G. 5 questions are there. Just now I have explained you about the word problems. Same way you have to do these 5 questions. Whichever question has been asked you to do in the copy, only those questions you have to do. The rest questions which are left, you can practice those questions in your rough. Okay. Please don't do all the questions. Whichever questions I have told you to do in the copy, only do those questions. Whichever questions are left, please do those questions in the rough for your practice. Okay. With this, your whole chapter is finished. Again I am telling you, a PDF will be given to you. The questions, all the copy work of related to chapter 8, related to this chapter, whatever things you have to do in the copy will be given to you in the PDF. Same thing you have to copy down in the copy in the same way. Some questions I have solved, copy down, and some questions I have given you to solve. Please solve the questions as I have solved in the PDF. In the same way you have to do those questions. Don't directly write the answer. Don't miss the formula. You have to write each and every time wherever the formula is needed, and you have to write the answer with all the questions. Answer statement is a must. You have to write answer and then you have to write the answer over here. Don't just leave the calculation. Suppose 2 meter into centimeter you have to change. You have written 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. 2 meter equals to 2 multiply 100 centimeter equals to 200 centimeter. And you have left over here. No, you have to write at the last answer equals to 200 centimeter. This will be the complete answer, because in the exam marks will be allotted for this answer statement also. If you will not write, either half marks or 1 marks can be deducted from your question depending of the question how much marks it is containing. Okay, this answer statement is must. You have to write this ANS and then you have to show the answer in front of that. Okay, hope you have understood the chapter. All the things, all the topics has been very clearly told you in all the 3 videos. See the videos very properly. If you have any doubt, any problem, you can, while solving the questions, refer to the video. All the explanations are being done very clearly for you, very properly. Please see it and try to do the questions very properly. Do the copy work also in very neat handwriting. Okay, hope you have understood. Thank you.